judges, teachers and my fellow friends. My name is Thanushka MURUGAN. I am from 2 Kadiravan at SJKT SUNGAI RENGGAM. Today I am here to talk and explain about animal life cycle. Today's topic that I have chosen is butterfly life cycle. Life cycle is a period in the life of an animal from time it becomes a fertilized egg to reproduction and death. Metamorphosis is another word for change. The stages of a butterfly life cycles are eggs, larva, pupa and adult. The very first stage begins with the eggs that the butterfly lays. The average number reported eggs that the butterfly lay is about 700. That is quite huge. They will lay one egg at a time, but they can lay many eggs in a single day. The eggs are about the size of a pinhead. The butterfly will lay her eggs on bottom of leaves where they will be protected. Now let me explain the stages of a butterfly. Stage 1. The egg. The female butterfly will lay her eggs under a protective leaf, then later will become her baby's first male. About 2 to 3 weeks later, the egg hatches. Then a caterpillar known as a larva will come out. The caterpillar hatches through the egg by waving its head back and forth, pulling out its body slowly. Stage 2. The larva. Caterpillars or larvae are very tiny and are usually a pale green color when they first hatch. They have strong jaws for chewing leaves. The caterpillar's first meal is their own egg. After they eat their egg, they will eat the leaf that their mother had laid them on. They will eat 30 or more leaves and grow 3,000 times its original size. Stage 3. The pupa. The caterpillar will find a safe, strong spot like a tree or a leaf to hang from. It starts squeezing silk, moving from side, creating a silk mat with a tiny note called a button after shading its skin for the last time. A hard case called a chrysalis forms around the caterpillar for protection while it is preparing to become a butterfly. Stage 4. The chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar or pupa becomes a green liquid. The green liquid begins to form butterfly parts and the chrysalis becomes more clear. A fully chrysalis means a butterfly is ready to come out. About 3 weeks later, the chrysalis splits and the butterfly can make its way out. Now, the butterfly is free to travel by the air. Now, it will drink nectar instead of chewing leaves. The average butterfly will lay